Hey everybody, Chef Ben here from Spicefield Kitchen. Alright, we're going to do another knife cut today. We're going to take this humble mark trap carrot that is vibrating at a very high frequency, and we are going to cut it up into julienne and then into fine dice. This is one of my favorite cuts because it's actually two cuts in one. So, first things first, we're going to take off the tip and tail. That's what we call it. And now, we're going to cut this to have a flat side. One flat side. Now we're going to cut some planks out of this, all hopefully roughly about the same thickness. Okay, we'll set aside our scraps because they're still delicious to eat. Now we stack up our planks, okay? And now we're going to cut little matchsticks out of these. You'll notice that I am using the claw. I'm riding this blade on the back of my knuckles, and I'm keeping a very uniform thickness of all of these carrot sticks. Now, these little sticks are called julienne. Now when we take these sticks and stack them up together, I would actually break these up into two piles so that we get nice uniform cuts. Now we can take julienne, put it on its side, and create small dice. Notice the tip of my knife is stuck to the board. It's a nice rock and chop motion, very smooth, very quiet, very disciplined, and very safe. Look at that beautiful fine dice. This is a fundamental skill in culinary arts. You cannot move forward off of the pantry station until you have mastered the fundamental knife cuts, this being one of the most important. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on our next tutorial video.